Hi, this is Tiffany Hudson, the Property Guru. I wanted to wish you a happy new year and a happy 2024. Also, what are your goals for 2024? Is it to buy your first home for you and your family, or just to get yourself started out on the property ladder? These are some great times to get a loan. There's so many home buyer programs out there, and it's easier to get into real estate than you think. Or is it to downsize? Do you have a home that's too large and you'd prefer a home with less maintenance? Have the kids gone to college? This might be a good time to capitalize on the high property prices and get some cash out that maybe you could put into an investment property or save for retirement. And what about buying an investment property? This is a great time. They've actually lowered the rates for down payments that you can use to put on an investment property. So it might be something that's within reach for you at this point in time. Whatever your goal is for 2024 when it comes to real estate, I'd be happy to help you along your way. Sometimes you need an expert that can map this out for you and give you a guide on how you can get to that destination. Start thinking about those goals now and you can make them a reality in 2024. Take care. Happy New Year.